Google's new Pixelbook Go is now official with powerful but less expensive hardware. Here's a quick look. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Unlike the original Pixelbook, the Go is focused on bringing a premium Chrome OS experience to a more affordable price point. Starting at $649, the machine offers a 1080p display, which is, quite frankly, absolutely gorgeous in person. We weren't able to check out the 4K model, but it's probably safe to assume that it's even better. A big highlight of the original Pixelbook was its keyboard, and that's only getting better on the Go. The keyboard is now a little bit more quiet, and the keys have also been slightly adjusted to feel even better than the Pixelbook did. A Google employee giving me a demo told me that she'd been using this new machine for several weeks, and she prefers it over the original. The Pixelbook Go we were able to spend some time with was the Core i5 model, and performance was pretty snappy. It remains to be seen how that will change for the Core M3 model though. The overall hardware is pretty nice as well. It is made of metal, but it does feel a little bit more like plastic because of the coating on top, and that coating seems a little bit prone to picking up dust and oils. But the same isn't true about the keyboard. The bottom of the Pixelbook Go has a grippy rib design which is unique to say the least. That said, it does feel nice when you're picking up the laptop, and the machine as a whole is extremely lightweight. We'll have more to share on the Pixelbook Go in the coming weeks, so stay tuned right here on 9 to 5 Google.